Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Eng.Sayyad Auto Academy. Today we are going to learn the second topic, engine lineup of Chery and Exceed engines. Okay, next. Today the second topic is engine lineup. Okay, next. So we will learn the how many types of engines are there, how many generations engines are there in Exceed and Chery. Okay, we will learn one by one from first to until the last generation currently we are using in Chery vehicles and Exceed vehicles. Okay, we will start from the first generation engines. The first generation engine, first category is start the series from 72. The series 72 power output is 24 kilowatt to 59 kilowatt, and the torque it generates 48 Nm to 106 Nm torque. The displacement of the engine is 0.6 liter to 1.2 liter. 0.6 liter means 600 cc to 1200 cc. Okay, the first category of first generation engine. The second category series starts from 477, series 477. What about this specification of this engine? The power output of this engine is 80 kilowatts, and this engine torque generates 140 Nm, and the displacement of the engine is 1.5 liter. 1.5 liter displacement means 1500 cc. Okay, and third category of first generation engine is series starts from 484, series 484. This engine specification, the power output is 51 kilowatt to 125 kilowatts, and the torque it generates 93 Nm to 235 Nm, and the displacement of these engines are 1.0 liter to 2.0, so 1000 cc to 2000 cc. The generation category increases, the specification of engines it's updated more. Okay, so what are the engine codes in the first category? Starts from the first category engine code is SQR B2G06, SQR B2G06W, SQR 372, SQR 372W, SQR 472, SQR 472F. The whatever the alphabet coming in the last, it means it's a revised engines. Okay, SQRF 472FC, SQRF 472WB. It's a first category of first generation. The second category in the first generation engine, the only one type of engine, it is SQR 477. Okay, the third category, the engine number starts from SQR 371F, SQR 481FC, SQR 484, SQR 484 VVT, SQR 484B. Okay, these are the first generation engine categories, and we will jump into next category, that is second generation. Second generation series will be starts from the E. What is the specification of second generation engines? The power output of second generation engine starts from 90 kilowatt to 116 kilowatts, and the torque it generates 160 Nm to 250 Nm torque, and the displacement is 1.5 liter to 2 liter, 1000 cc to 2000 cc. So what are the engine codes in the second series and second generation? SQRE 4015, SQRE 4015 B and C, SQRE 4G16, SQRE 4016, SQRE 4020. Okay, there are two engines are there, 1.5 2 liter, and one more engine is 1.66 1600 cc. In second generation, the second generation series starts from E. Okay, we will start next generation, third generation, the series will start from F. F. The third generation engine specification is power 97 kilowatt to 132 kilowatt, and the torque it generates 212 Nm to 285 Nm. The engine displacement is 1.2 liter to 1.6 liter, 1200 cc to 1.6 means 1600 cc. In third generation, two engines are there. The engine code starts from SQRF. F means third generation. F4J10. 10 means 1 liter. SQRF 4J16, 1.6 liter. SQRF 4J 2 liter, 2000 cc. Then fourth generation engine. The fourth generation engine series starts from G. Okay. The specification of fourth generation engines, the power output is 135 kilowatts and the torque, maximum torque is a 290 Nm torque it generates, and displacement is 1.5 liter. Okay, only one engine, 1.5 liter. Okay, the engine numbers, engine codes starts from SQRG. G means series, fourth generation. G means fourth generation. 4G15, 1.5 liter, and SQRG 4J15, fourth generation. Okay, the last fifth generation engine starts from H. The H series, the fifth generation engine, the engine specifications, power output 115 kilowatts and the maximum torque is 215 Nm torque. Okay, the displacement is 1.5 liter, the 1500 cc engine in fifth generation engine. Okay, what is the only one engine is there in the fifth generation? That engine number is SQRH. H means fifth generation, 4J15. Next, where is the engine number is stamped? Where is the engine number is stamped? You can see in the picture here. The usually located on the bottom and side of the cylinder block. The engine code consists of two parts, engine model and engine factory number. Okay, where it is consist? The bottom of the block and the side of the block, side of the cylinder block. You can see the punched cylinder number. The first series are engine code, and the second, after the hash code, after second series codes are the manufacturer codes, the serial number, engine. Okay. Next, the engine type definition and rules. So how we can segregate, how can we confirm the engine, which engine by the engine codes? Okay, how can we segregate? The first three-digit SQR is cherry engine code. First three-digit we see the SQRs, the engine code starts from SQR. What is SQR? SQR is cherry engine codes. Cherry engine codes. The fourth digit D represent the first generation engine, E represent the second generation engine, F represent the third generation engine, H represents fifth generation engine. Now SQRE, E means which generation engine? E means second generation engine. SQRE, fourth digit of the engine code. Okay, it represents which generation engine. E means second generation engine, and the fifth digit of the engine code represents the number of cylinder. The fifth digit of engine code, it represents number of cylinder engine has. Okay, SQRE4, 4 means 4 cylinder engine, 4 cylinder engine, and the sixth digit represents the intake mode. The sixth digit of the engine code represents intake mode. Intake mode, how the air fuel mixture come inside the engine. It means the SQRE4, the fifth digit is, sixth digit is G. G means naturally inspirated engines. Okay, there is no extra component fitted. This is natural inspirated, natural engine. Okay, seventh, the G represents the naturally inspirated engine, sixth digit. If instead of G, if it is coming T there, the T represents turbocharged manifold injection engine. J represents turbocharged direct injection in cylinder. Okay, the seventh digit of the seventh and eight digits represent the engine displacement. Seventh and eight digits represent engine displacement. Engine displacement means how many cc. 1.15 means 1.5 liter, 1500 cc engine. The last digit of the engine code represents the engine revised model. After the 15, if it is coming B, C, W, A, it means that code is represent to there is a revised, updated engine. Okay. Next, we will see the all codes here one by one. The all according to the engine codes. The T represents the second engine code SQRE. SQRE is a cherry, improved cherry, and the E represents second generation engine, 4 represent 4 cylinder, and the T represent turbocharged manifold injection. Okay, 1.15 represent displacement of engine, 1.5 liter. Okay, and the C, last digit 15, C means improved model, revised model engine. Okay, the next SQR cherry, F third generation engine, 4 cylinder. J means turbocharged direct injection in cylinder. Okay, some vehicle injector sprayed on the manifold. The new generation vehicle, the injector directly spraying on the combustion chamber. Okay, the displacement of this engine is 1.6. It means 1600 cc. Okay, today we see how we can confirm the engine codes. Okay, how can we confirm the which engine, which vehicle, which engine has, how to segregate the codes in the second topic. And the next topic, in the third topic, we will learn about the technical characteristics of engine and what are the upgraded things available in the engine. And we will see in the next video. Please stay in touch. Okay, please subscribe to our channel. Please press the bell icon for the next videos. Share, like and comment. Thank you.